Hey everyone, it's Mariah from Plan with Bliss. I am here to do a review for the February monthly spread from Bodacious Prints. I was going to do a Plan with me, but just time was of the essence. I also am really feeling icky in my throat. It's starting to not feel that great, so I'm just going to do a quick little review. I was going to do my haul, but not all my packages have come through yet. So I'm going to do just one big giant one. This was going to be a part of my haul though, so that counts just for a little bit of it, I guess. So yeah, this is from Bodacious Prints, and she is still a new shop. I found her, and we have just been connected since, and she's so great. If you need something in an urgent matter, she is more than happy to get your kit there on time. For me, I was running low on funds, so I had to wait last minute to order my February monthly spread, and it came on time, which is great. I do love the pattern. I love the floral. I love this bow. I think that's my favorite. It's super cute. And one thing I really liked is that she gives you so many bill due stickers. I mean, some people might not have as much as I do, but it fit all my bills. And, like, that's very, very rare that a monthly spread would fit all my bills, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 bills, major bills, that I write down in one month. So I love it. Okay, I also love just the box with the March right there. I love the checklist. I think it's really, really cute layout. A couple things that, this is just me because I'm nitpicky on certain things, and I want to be real with you guys who follow and are subscribed to my channel. This may be an issue for you guys, so I just wanted to share this, is that right here I had to use a thin strip because it didn't cover completely my boxes. And then, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm going to bring it a little closer. This is just me. I like all my boxes to be complete, like that one. But the bill dues are cut off just a little bit. And that's just me being nitpicky, like I said. I also believe that, you know, she gives you a lot, which is awesome. I used all that. I like that as well. One thing that I wish it had birthday stickers, so now I had to figure out what I'm going to use for birthdays. Maybe write it in here and have a little other, I don't know, another sticker on there. But the major thing that was just kind of disappointing was the cutting is like all together like that, and it was really hard to get the dates out, so I had to kind of peel this forward to get all my stickers that I was needing. Or one of the times, or actually a couple of times, like I peeled the sticker off and it was just attached and it wouldn't, so I couldn't use that color. That's only the negative feedback that I had. I don't know, maybe I had a bad batch that came out, but I just need to be real with you guys a little bit. I do, again, love the kit. I think that it's super pretty. Just little things that were off for me. I do like the spread. I'm going to be putting more stickers down, and once I complete it, I will probably post that on my Instagram so I can see. But I do love, I also got to use the thin strip washi right here for my vacation. Well, not vacation. I am going to Puerto Penasco in Mexico to visit my groups in Mexico who are building homes for families in need down there. So they are sending me the 14th, and I'm going to be there all the way to the 21st. So that is super exciting too. But yes, this is a quick video that I wanted to show you guys. I am also, I missed yesterday, but I'm going to be using my Peel and Heal Mood Tracker for February, which is gorgeous. I am going to be setting that up too, so be ready to see some final photos. This is a quick one. If you guys like these, please give me a thumbs up so you can just hear my thoughts and opinions on kits. I would definitely love to hear your feedback on this. Thank you so much, guys, and I look forward to speaking and posting another video for you guys soon again. Alright, bye!